Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you get access to ChatGPT 4 for free. So guys, if you just go to your ChatGPT account, just like I'm going, and you will see something like ChatGPT 4 which is locked. And if you click to upgrade to ChatGPT Plus, you will see something like this. And if you click to upgrade to Plus, it will be costful for you and you need to subscribe for it, and it will be about $20 per month. But there is another way to use ChatGPT 4 for free. You can just go back and you can just go to your Play Store app. If you're Android, then go to your Play Store app and search in the top search bar Bing. By using this app, you can just use ChatGPT 4 for free. I have already installed it and I'm gonna open it. Now after opening this app, you will see something like a home screen like this. Now click the bottom chat icon, and in the middle here you can see use ChatGPT 4. Just click it to turn on, and by turning it on you can just use it like ChatGPT. You can use it by your voice in the middle bottom, or you can just use keyboard in the bottom right and ask for anything, just like and after asking, just hold for a few seconds. And you can see the results here. So guys, that's how you can get access to ChatGPT 4 for free. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.